Hello everyone, welcome to Adventures Programming. And today we are going to make a Python program to separate all the character of a string by a sign. Any sign, dollar, modulus, hashtag, anything. Okay. So first I will take a variable string one and take it as an input, and inside input I will write enter string here. Okay. And here I will take a for loop for I in range length of what str1, and I will take another string str2 and it will be empty string, and inside for loop I will I will append, means I will add all the character of str1 into str2. So str2 plus equal to I. Okay. Now for I equal to 0, for I equal to 0 you get str2 equal to what? If you take, let's suppose if you take g double o d. Okay. G double O D. So for I equal to 0, the G will be counted. So str2 equal to str2 plus this G, means str2 now is G. So after G we need a dollar sign. So here I will write a condition: if I is not equal to what? Length of str1 minus 1. I am using minus 1 because I don't want to use dollar sign after the this d. Okay. If you not use this minus 1, then uh, after d the dollar will be printed, but we don't want dollar after the last element. Okay, we need dollar between two characters. Okay, so that's why I'm using minus 1 here. So if I is not equal to length minus 1, means I is not equal to, the length is what? 4, means I is not equal to 3. If I is not equal to 3, then I will write here plus equal to str2 plus equal to dollar, or any sign you want to add in between characters. So here I will print our string is str2. Okay, so let's run the code. I will take Vishal, enter string2 plus equal to I. What's the error? Sorry, we are taking I in range, means 0 to what? 0 to length of str1. I'm not taking for I in str1. If we are taking I in str1, then I will add here I. So here I is integer, I will not add in this string. So here we will use string 1 square bracket I. Okay. So g double o d, enter. So g $o $d. Let's take another value, Vishal, enter. So dollar is printed in between the characters. Okay, I hope you understand the question. See you in the next video.